let's get started, crew. Tonight we're gonna draw one of Ash's crew members. One of Ash's old friends from the Kalos region. Tonight we're gonna draw the dragon Pokemon Goodra. As you are familiar, you saw me draw the Hisuian Goodra back in the old days. Back in the original, Goodra had a shell on his back. Well, back in Legends Arceus. But this version of Goodra, he's, well, very, very slippery.
Tell you he was leaving?
Well, no.
You just stopped working there? Kyle?
That's what everyone else told me.
Move in, move in. And Muhammad never said goodbye to you?
No, he didn't.
Does he work for the company or does he work for the company? Doesn't work for the company anymore? Right?
I think he still does.
Where? The new location?
Anyway, that is how you draw Goodra from Pokemon. I'm proud to have him included.